Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video. This is Mina from Mina's English Care. I hope you are doing great. Today in this video, let's learn how to use cannot but in English. Actually, cannot but means কোনো কিছু না করে উপায় নেই. So, we can make many sentences with cannot but. Okay, I cannot but go there. আমি সেখানে না যেয়ে পারলাম না. I cannot but cry after hearing the news. আমি খবরটি শোনার পর না কান্না করে পারলাম না. I cannot but read the book. আমি বইটি না পড়ে পারলাম না. So friends, if you got it, you can try now. Here are some exercises for you. I was very tired. I dash sleep. Comment your answer below. That's it for today. Practice these sentences every day and speak smart. Bye bye.